Free woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Abidu from myoutdoorplans.com. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a 3D video showcasing my latest project, the folding miter saw stand. I've put together detailed plans which you can find over on my blog. Just check out the link in the bio to grab those plans and get started on building your very own space-saving stand. This stand is crafted from sturdy 3/4 plywood, ensuring it can handle just about anything you throw at it. Plus, I've added caster wheels on the bottom for easy mobility around your workspace. And for added convenience, it features 2 side tables that fold out when you need them and tuck away neatly when you don't. This design is all about maximizing your space and efficiency. I've added a handy shelf to the folding miter saw stand, giving you some extra storage space right where you need it. For those of you wondering about the timeline and budget, you can expect this project to take a weekend to complete and cost around $100, depending on your local material prices. It's a fantastic way to enhance your workspace without breaking the bank or taking up too much time. This design is perfect for those who need to save space. When folded, this piece occupies only 2 feet by 4 feet, making it incredibly compact and easy to store. It's a great solution for anyone looking to maximize their workspace or living area. Measure and cut your components to the required lengths. For this project, you will need pieces from 2 by 4 and 3/4 plywood. Accurate measurements and cuts are crucial for this project. Double-check all your dimensions before cutting. Adding some felt pads or rubber feet can protect your floors and make the piece more stable. A miter saw stand significantly boosts productivity by providing a stable and elevated platform, allowing for precise and consistent cuts without the need for constant adjustments. It makes cutting wood easier by securely holding the material in place, reducing the risk of movement and inaccuracies. When assembling the frame of the stand, I use pocket holes and 1 1/4 screws to join the pieces together, making sure to check and double-check that all the corners are perfectly square for a sturdy, reliable structure. For the back, I use 1/4 plywood, which provides a solid and smooth surface that helps to keep the entire structure stable and rigid. This lightweight yet strong material is easy to cut and attach, ensuring the back panel fits perfectly and adds that extra bit of support to the frame. For the front trims, I cut and attach pieces of 1 by 2 lumber, which not only add a finished look to the project but also enhance the overall strength and stability of the structure. The side tables are attached using sturdy hinges, and they feature underneath supports that lock into place, ensuring the tables remain straight and stable when in use, providing extra workspace and convenience. Investing in good quality hinges is a game changer for this project. It ensures that the piece folds smoothly and operates without a hitch, even after repeated use. The side tables come equipped with fences that are essential for holding the lumber straight when cutting, ensuring precision and consistency with every cut. These fences are sturdy, allowing you to easily align your material for perfect, repeatable results every time. Don't forget about adding caster wheels. They make the stand easily movable from one place to another, giving you the flexibility to work wherever you need without breaking your back. I hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to start building your own space-saving marvel. For more detailed plans and step-by-step guides, be sure to visit my blog at myoutdoorplans.com. Until next time, remember, build your outdoor world.
For more DIY videos, subscribe, comment, and click the like button. Don't forget to hit the bell.